In today's video, you'll learn how to turn laundry paste into liquid laundry soap. I'll show you how to make a large amount of it or a small amount of it, but either way, it'll cater to your container. It's super simple, so stay with me for the next couple of minutes and you'll learn a lot. So you're probably wondering, how much laundry paste do I need to use? Well, once you've dissolved it into liquid laundry soap, that's when you'll decide how much you really need. So this handy dispenser measures 1 ounce. If you're just doing your regular office clothes or your everyday clothes, you can get by with half this amount. Yes, half of an ounce should do your laundry just fine. Now, if you wash really big loads, or maybe you're a massage therapist and you have very oily sheets, then you're probably going to want to try 1 ounce, 2 ounces even, to get out that extra oil and break down that extra dirt. Now, deciding how much laundry paste you're going to use and how much you're going to dissolve it, because remember, you don't have to dissolve the entire bar at one time, that will help you determine what kind of container might work best for you. I understand your concerns. I've been exactly where you are. I spent years trying to resolve my own skin irritations from store-bought products. And that's really what got me on this journey, was to solve my own problem. And that's why I started formulating the laundry paste. So I want you to rest assured that I've taken a lot of time and energy and care in not only finding good ingredients, but turning it into this paste form instead of selling liquid. Liquid is just excess water, and you have water at home. You have containers at home. I shouldn't be selling those things. So the paste formulation came out of me seeking my own solutions, but then eventually I realized that the plastic waste that came from these products was also still part of the problem. And that's what really led me to pushing more towards paste and getting that plastic bottle waste out of our planet. I'm confident that you're going to love the laundry paste, that you're going to love not lugging home those heavy gallon jugs of liquid laundry soap from the grocery store, and that you're going to enjoy going zero waste and not having to toss anything into your recycling bin. And I'm really excited to know that you'll be part of the Tangie tribe. But I also want you to feel confident to know that if you don't have a 5-star experience using the laundry paste, you can be guaranteed a 5-star experience with our customer service, plus your money back. So go ahead and buy today and be proud of the brand that you're buying from. We're really trying to make a difference in this world by reducing 1 billion bottles, and you can help us in that mission. So go ahead and follow the link in the description box below. It'll take you right to the laundry paste page on our website. Or feel free to just go to wastefreeproducts.com and check out all the other waste-free options we have there. Happy shopping!